Hello everyone, Fatty from Pack-a-Punch Traders here. Gonna make a quick video lesson going over the top. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 plays: OTRA, VERU, AGRI, and AUVI. So first up here we got AUVI. Got a solid breakdown here, but it ended up coming back to green a little bit, showing some strength here. And not much volume, but it is still holding up generally. So if this could come back and break 153 breakout here, we could possibly get a Tesla 170s, maybe 180s. It is a lower float, 6.4 million, lower market cap. If the volume could just come back and start uptrending, I could definitely see a potential break over this area of the mid ones for a squeeze higher, as shorts will be wrong and buyers will come in and join the party here if it fails to break down in the mid ones, proving that area to become support. Then we got AGRI here, which we got a nice move pre-market from this over the breakout level of 280. It did finish below the open price, but generally still holding up nicely. Held red-green very well, solid double bottom there. And I'm just looking for the failure to break down and to reclaim today's highs of 313 and keep pushing this upward momentum. It is a lower float, doing good volume so far. So if we could continue the break higher, it'll show that shorts are wrong. It's going to keep going up. And just wait for the confirmation. Be patient. Don't buy at any cost right as it breaks. You risk buying near the higher end of the range. Let it show you that it's failing to break down, holding that area of the threes, low threes. And from there, we should get a probable move to mid threes, maybe the high threes. But yeah, this thing right now still overall decent uptrend over the past few days, as you can see here. So we'll just wait and see if this will come back and hold above 3. Next up, we got VERU. This thing here looking for a multi-day bounce. It did set a red day. We have a solid push from 7 to 17, offering around 150%. So now we have a red day. Ideally, it does fade more off of the highs, but it does have a red day. So we'll be looking from here on out on this play for a multi-day bounce every single day. Maybe it's tomorrow, maybe it's the day after, maybe it's early next week that it happens. But right now we're going to let shorts take control and get the momentum reversal, the bounce play, just like, what do you call it today, AFI. Right here, this was a nice one that I missed right out of the watch list. Beautiful play. You get the huge perk, which actually did the huge move that we usually look for right here, right out of the open. But it comes back, starts holding key levels, and starts breaking that high again from 45. There's a quick little angle to the low 50s. So that one's missed today, but VERU, similar pattern, looking for that reversal after a decent run from shorts locking in profits from the momentum shift. Okay, last one here, OTRA. Solid little push today out of this low float. Does have overhead around 14 to 15, but solid volume. If it could just continue this momentum higher, if it could just hold up, come back for a 13 previous high daybreak, hold that area. The 13s, high 13s, seem to be a key area over the past day and a half. 2 days or so. But essentially, if it fails to break down, I think shorts are going to be disappointed, and that's going to trigger a move higher. And then I think buyers will really come in recognizing that this is going to get close to the breakout level and give us a solid push. There was one play, DPSI today. That one took off. Not necessarily this similar play, but you know, when it's down here in the nines, it still got resistance up ahead, and people still came in and pushed it higher. Buyers kept coming in. Shorts got destroyed on this one. Yeah, from 8.5, it kept going on to 12, 13 here. So back to the point, OTRA. If this fails to break down, it is showing some bottoming around 10 here. So if it fails to continue lower, as it has been today, topping out around the mid 12s. If they could fail that and come back with volume, the key is going to be volume. Without volume, nothing's going to move. So we'll keep an eye out for that with that momentum shift. But besides that, those are going to be the top plays. Got a bunch of other things kind of on watch, but not ideal. BGXX. Insane mover today. Totally missed it out of the price range, so I didn't see it on my scanner. But here we are. I think I heard of it was on Twitter or something. I forgot. But solid move here. Gonna start looking for the multi-day bounce after this sets a red day. So we'll keep an eye out for that next week. But we'll wrap this up here. Top 4 plays. We'll update the watch list in the morning on Twitter. It's already out there. Let me get to that. And then if you want to see us live, how we're approaching it and everything, check us out on tradecaster.com. We'll be there live 10 minutes before the market opens and throughout the day. Right there. So this will be updated in the morning as I did today. So yeah, we'll just wrap this up. I'm rambling now. Everyone have a great night. I hope today was a great day. We're getting into the end of the week here, so let's finish strong and wrap the week good and get ready for a good weekend. Have a great night.